Hey everyone, it's Diana from Allrecipes. I'm at home making an authentic Greek salad, and I want to share with you the one secret to take your Greek salad to the next level. And we're making today the authentic Greek village salad, also called the Greek Allrecipes salad, which comes from the word for village in Greek. So the first key to making your Greek salad is to cut the tomato and salt it, and then let it sit for at least half an hour. This is going to bring out all of the tomato's juices, and it's going to create the base for almost like a vinaigrette, if you will. Because a real authentic Greek salad doesn't need lemon juice, it doesn't need vinegar. All it needs is those tomato juices, which are nice and acidic and salty, and olive oil. So what I like to do is start out with the ripest tomato that I can find and cut right over the bowl. So you cut your tomatoes in preferably random chunks. Perfect slices are fine, but I find random 1-inch chunks are great for a Greek salad, and they also help those juices to come out. So you can see I'm cutting right over the bowl. Now this tomato isn't the juiciest of all tomatoes, but you can even see that some juices are accumulating in the bowl already, and I haven't even added salt yet. So with a juicy tomato that almost explodes when you cut into it, you want to save all those juices and make sure that they end up right in the bowl. So this is the absolute most crucial step right here, is to add your salt and let the tomatoes sit. Be generous with your salt if you can, but even a little bit of salt is going to bring out those juices. Give it a stir, and I can already see some of those juices are being released, and half an hour from now, we'll see even more. All right, we're back after waiting just under half an hour, and you can see, even though my tomatoes weren't as ripe as they come, a lot of juices have accumulated at the bottom of the bowl. And that's our base for an authentic Greek salad. We don't need vinegar and we don't need lemon juice. All we need are these acidic juices from the tomato. Crucial to a Greek salad is dried oregano. So I'm just gonna add a little bit here. Too much oregano can turn your dish bitter. So I love oregano, and I'm trying to hold back. The other crucial thing to your Greek salad is red onion. This is a huge red onion. We're by no means adding all of it. You can pretty much add it to taste. I personally love onion, but I'm just gonna add a few nice thinly sliced rounds of onion. So I really like the punch that red onion gives, but how much you add is totally up to you. Cucumber is a really nice addition to a Greek salad, but not totally necessary. So if you don't like cucumber, simply leave it out. I'm gonna add just a few slices of cucumber to the salad today. Olives are another great addition, and you wanna figure maybe add 1 to 2 olives per person, and you can just lay them right over top. Feta cheese is an absolute must. And if you've been to Greece, you'll see that feta isn't usually crumbled over the Greek salad, right? So we're gonna just cut a couple slabs of feta. And again, how much feta is really up to you. And the final touch is olive oil. Make sure you use a really nice extra virgin olive oil, one from Greece if you can find it. And don't be shy, because olive oil is what makes a Greek salad absolutely delicious. I'll add a little bit of oregano just on top to make it look nice. And there you have it. That is literally all you need for an authentic Greek Allrecipes salad. So the way to serve a Greek salad is really to put it in the middle of the table and let everybody dig in. But I just want to show you here how beautiful all of those juices from the tomato are combined with the olive oil. And that is what makes a Greek salad great. So if you take those little extra steps, like salting the tomato and making sure you buy one that's perfectly ripe, you'll be rewarded with a really delicious Greek salad. And an absolute must is some crusty bread to mop up all of those delicious juices at the bottom of your plate. So I hope that you try making your own authentic Greek salad at home. Be sure to take a photo and leave a review on the site and let us know if the salting trick worked for you. You'll never go back to any sort of other way of making a Greek salad again, I promise you that.